Okay, so the final step is going to be sunscreen.
Okay.
Now, sunscreen is important for so many different reasons. The SPF level is actually addressing the burning rays. So when you have like an SPF of 34, that basically means that you're going to be 34 times more protected. So that's a great question. You definitely want to apply SPF sunscreen 15 minutes before you're going to be actually exposed. And then if you're going to be out in it, say you're walking around, I don't mean, just even laying at the beach, of course reapply every 2 hours.
Okay.
But just even being out in it, going out for a walk, a couple hours, still reapply every 2 hours.
Okay.
There are a variety of sunscreens on the market, and it can be overwhelming to decide which one is the best for your skin type. There is, however, only one sunscreen that not only provides the highest level of UVA and UVB protection, which is protection from the aging rays and burning rays, but it repairs past sun damage and protects against future damage by not allowing the harmful infrared rays to penetrate the skin. That product is Total Defense and Repair Sunscreen by SkinMedica. It not only protects future damage, but repairs past damage and signs of aging. And it supports the skin's own ability to restore itself.